My name is Sandra Milena Hidalgo Beltrán, código 101-104-707-228. Steve Star en Negotiation, Teacher Ingrid Tatiana Gómez, Group 21-2032 del 87. National Open and Distance University School of Technology and Engineering, Ibagué, Tolima. Problems to negociable biotechnological productos. Problema to negotiate biotechnological product. Problem relate to the protection of intellectual property. Projects current development status. Commercial utilization. Projects in initial stage. There is not adequate research wide industry. Problem related to value technology, strategic areas of research which found that there is no start on studied for stability the value of technology. The value of technology depends on the state of development or funding which might result in a profit or loss of the owner of the intellectual property and web production marketing system. Lack of efficient structure to achieve high levels of competitiveness in the field of technology. There is fullness or fearless not taking into account does not set negotiation structure. Definition: Intellectual property describes sense production in domain selection where the delegate format was intellectual property raised elaborated innovative currents in and created and was valuable porting assets. Advanced intellectual property assets tend to be commercially exploited with authorized person authorizing third parties. Companies that will continue to one produce the invents products and services alone price will be able to be competitive and profitable. Recommendations: Intellectual property refers to the innovations and creations of the human being which develops a new product and procure that is very important in front instance of intelligence is part of a solution and interference can no longer can be a good bonus option to one's inconveniences and new sources. It is very important to complain candidate selling intellectual property rights relating to one particular technology by means of licensing in company in those will not have the recourse to carry out research and thus develop on its own which can accept technical advances that are necessary to provide new and superior products of good quality. Thank you.